So this Excel sheet is already provided to you. If you have the Excel sheet, you just feed all the data so that you can able to get those things. And this method will be using the midpoint method as well as this method. So first let us go with this particular volatility with the daily volatility along with the Nifty price. So Nifty, these are the, if you put the daily volatility, these calculations will come automatically. So this is now Nifty is at 11,943 level. In between it has gone to 11,920, 919, come to 11,959 also. So these are the movement of the Nifty. So wait for the breakout. So once that happens, we will enter. This is for the Nifty. This is for the Nifty. We have this calculated 11,955 above. You will be buying, and you need to hedge it with the 11,950 put option. If you are getting a breakout below 11,875, you sell along with a कॉल ऑप्शंस. अगर आप 11,955 के ऊपर में खरीदते हैं तो 11,950 का एक पुट ले लीजिए उसके साथ में, एंड अगर आप 11,875 में बेचते हैं तो उसके साथ में 11,850 का एक कॉल ऑप्शन ले लीजिए. अगर आप बेचते हैं तो आपका पहला टारगेट रहेगा 11,810.68 और 11,811. अगर खरीदते हैं तो 12,020 में आपका टारगेट रहेगा. एंड अभी चल रहा है 11,934, तो कोई भी ब्रेकआउट आपको नहीं मिला है. तो अभी भी चलते हैं दूसरे स्टॉक के तरफ. सो बैंक निफ्टी में लिया हूं. सो बैंक निफ्टी का भी लिया हूं. तो यहाँ पे मैंने पिछले 10 दिन का डाटा सब डाउनलोड करके रखा था, इसी को यहाँ पे डाल देते हैं. ये 2-3 इसमें देखेंगे. सो we'll be seeing this thing. Bank Nifty, this is the value, it is coming 31,600. So Bank Nifty you must enter at 0.382 level. Don't enter at 0.236 level. So Bank Nifty base is very high. Bank Nifty का बेस बड़ा है, इसीलिए 31,774 के ऊपर में ही खरीदे, 31,383 के नीचे में ही बेची. So अगर if you are buying, buy it above 31,774, sell it below 31,383. Now it is trading at 31,590. So whatever happened till 9:30, it is non-material for us. It has made a high, made a low, all these things happen. But after these things, so after these things you can after all these things you can say that from 9:30 onwards whatever is there that we will be taking. I will request all of you, since you are in, so all things we are doing for the intraday. and इन्फोसिस में अगर आपको काम करना है 720 तक आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. 717 आपका स्टॉप लॉस रहेंगे, ये रहेगा आपका टारगेट. बिकॉज if you want to work in Infosys, you need to wait for the second cycle to come as per one standard deviation. So coming to your questions, couple of questions are coming here. I am just going for the couple of questions. So here Kushal Kumarji is asking, Fibonacci should be at a low volatility. So Fibonacci gives better accuracy in the low volatility, Kushalji. It is not that low volatility only will use it. It has a better accuracy, but you can use it any kind of situation. Bank Nifty also you can use in this situation. Elliott, if you are using, you will get some better accuracy now. So based on the higher volatility. So better accuracy, but you can still use the Fibonacci in this situation also. There is nothing wrong in using that. So ध्रुव पंचल जी, 1SD के कैलकुलेशंस एक्सेल शीट में हो नहीं सकता. मे बी यू हैव नॉट अटेंडेड द अर्लियर 2 सेशंस. So 2 sessions, 2 or 3 sessions, whatever happened, most probably you have not attended that. So I have already told 1SD how it works. If you just go through that recordings, you can able to know. So 1SD Excel sheet में किया नहीं. So real time volatility you can't able to calculate in a simple Excel sheet. So Ram Kumar ji, also I will be Softwares will definitely show a different level, Hanumanji, because software takes a real-time volatility. That also I have already explained to you. So whenever you have come for that session, जो अगर वो session के time को थोड़ा आप recall करेंगे, उस time में भी मैं बताया था, सॉफ्टवेयर में आपको रियल टाइम वोलाटिलिटी यूज होता है, इसलिए that levels will be different. So in software we are using the real time volatility, that's why that levels will be different. फाइन. तो अभी रिलायंस में आप एंट्री किए हुए हैं, रिलायंस में एंट्री किए हुए हैं. सो रिलायंस यू हैव द एंट्री फॉर दिस, रिलायंस में एंट्री किया हुआ है. So 324, 1324, 1328, this is the targets, and if it crosses that 1345 तक आ सकता है. It can go to 1345. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, you didn't get a chance to enter. Infosys, I am just telling you to wait till 720, then you can able to enter this trade. So 720, then you can able to enter this trade. Trade analysis also will do. So pair trade also analysis will do. So which pair you want? One pair trade analysis we are going to do as for the beta decoupling. HDFC, Muthuramanji, Bank Nifty, HDFC. So index future. So let me take Bank Nifty, same Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank. Let me take these things. So load data. We'll see whether any intraday opportunity present or not. Intraday opportunity means till yesterday whatever the beta decoupling was there, today that decoupling should be increasing. That decoupling should be expanding. Then only you can get that intraday opportunity, or else not. So beta decoupling recommends buying Bank Nifty, selling HDFC Bank. Note it down. Correlation saying that trade is not recommended. However, beta decoupling says that buying this and selling. So correlation is below 60%. Below 60% Bank Nifty and HDFC. Bank Nifty and HDFC correlations is pretty low. It is near zero. So near zero. So you can say that here you can hedge and go with that. Nothing wrong with that. Beta decoupling saying you can enter the trade. However, so same time you can hedge and trade. You can hedge and trade. So beta decoupling suggests the trade. Intraday trade decoupling is expanding. Buying a Bank Nifty, selling HDFC Bank is recommended. So here let us one fresh worksheet I am just opening. So Nifty didn't give you the breakout. So here one new worksheet I am just opening up here, and just I'll be adding here the futures. You have one lot future stock. This is to intraday. Beta decoupling very rarely gives some intraday opportunity. HDFC Bank buy, HDFC Bank sell and buy the Bank Nifty. This is what it has come. Bank Nifty future, this is buy, and it must be hedged. So must be hedged because beta decoupling supporting, however correlation not supporting. So Bank Nifty and Axis also beta decoupling is recommending. It is also expanding, but correlation not favorable. That too also need to be hedged. So here too also the similar thing is coming here. The correlation not favorable, 44%. So HDFC and ICICI Axis, buying HDFC, selling Axis also recommended. Very lucky day. 3 pairs are giving you beta in expansion. Both the counters to be hedged. 3 pairs are giving you to very lucky day. 3 pairs are giving you to enter the trade. Axis also I am just adding here. So Axis 3 pairs, very lucky day, and you are very lucky to experience these things. All 3 pairs is recommended for with hedging. So with hedging, this all 3 pairs it is recommending. Beta decoupling is expanding today. So beta decoupling is expanding today. So you must enter the trade. First trade, if you are buying Bank Nifty, selling HDFC, what strike you will hedge? Buying Bank Nifty, selling HDFC. Which strike you should hedge? Quickly you say, so that some options also I can add here. You are buying Bank Nifty, selling HDFC. Buying Bank Nifty, so 31,500 put. So I am taking 31,500 put. 31,500 put. So 2 more days are left till. So 31,500 put, and you are selling HDFC. So you can have one call options. So 30th May HDFC. So here option stock HDFC. Quickly you must say which strike I should choose. 2,400. Great. 2,400 call. You are selling, so 2,400 call. Ramkumarji is telling that I must say this. That is 2,400 call. So HDFC. You can hedge it in this order. Because since 2 days are left till expiry, Ramkumarji, 2 days are left till expiry. Instead of buying option, can anyone will tell me, suggest me to sell some options? Because I am going for intraday. I am going for intraday. I am going for intraday. Each one lot. Since 2 days are left till expiry. Today gone, tomorrow gone, day after tomorrow is expiry. So only 2 days are left till expiry. Then why should I buy the options? So much of premium. So 17, 18 means 3,000, 4,000 rupees premium is there. So I am selling HDFC Bank. I am buying Bank Nifty. If I am selling this thing, then I can sell a put option also. I can sell a put option. Why I should buy a call option? I can sell a put option also. So here I am selling HDFC Bank, first pair. I am not buying any call option, rather I am selling 2,400 put option. 20 rupees of time value I am pocketing. So Bank Nifty I am buying. I am buying Bank Nifty. Instead of going for a put option purchase, I am going for 31,500 call option I am selling. 31,500 call option I am selling. So 239 rupees of time value, here 18 rupees of time value. So your trade, since it is the fag end of the expiry cycle, I am suggesting to sell HDFC, buy Bank Nifty, along with that selling of a call option and put option. So not buying of these things. So by this process also, this is also a hedged. So this is also a hedged position. 1 rupee 40 paisa in the money doesn't make any sense, Muthuramanji. So this is sell HDFC along with 2,400 put. So similar things with the Bank Nifty. So now coming to the next part. Our Axis and HDFC also giving you some good pairs intraday. This also expanding today. Axis and HDFC. Buying HDFC, selling Axis. You buy the HDFC, sell the Axis Bank, it is telling. This is also beta is expanding. So if you enter this trade, you are buying HDFC, selling Axis. So with Axis Bank, sell a put option. With HDFC Bank, sell a call option. And this too also intraday. Today by 3:30 you are going to come out from this. So as I told you, you are very lucky that today all these 3 pairs are giving you expansion. Beta is expanding. So beta is expanding, so you are getting a chance to enter the trade. So here too also correlation is not supportive, hedging is highly recommended. So you are hedging, you are doing here. So hedging, instead of buying a call option and put option with the future, I am telling you to write some option because you are at the end cycle of this settlement cycle, means you are at the last phase of the settlement cycle. Beta decoupling values, what you are telling, net decoupling in the bank nifty HDFC 11.07, these two also Axis and bank nifty, and HDFC and bank nifty, net beta decoupling you are getting here. After expanding future, beta decoupling doesn't use the stop loss join strategy. I have already told you, in the all trades are not stop loss trades. If there is no stop loss, then how we have to take this call? So we are expecting, if we are expecting bank nifty you bought and HDFC you sold. So HDFC 24242 level it has to come, and same time 32,092 bank nifty has to come. Both has to be in this level. So you have sold specific options, you just work out how much profit loss it will come. Same way, if you buy bank nifty and sell Axis, so once the Axis bank nifty goes to 32,100, Axis will be 831. So you work out that post hedging how much impact it will be giving. And same way, you can say when this bank nifty also falls to 30,900, HDFC will be 2358. Here too also you work out how much profit loss you can get. So if you have the tool, you can able to just see that this is the uptrend, downtrend, these are the prices for the day it is expected. So this comes means how much loss it can give, how much profit it can give. Nitesh Sharma ji is telling, if it is a positional trade we are going for, can you go for the next month's contract? You can definitely go for next month's contract when you are going for positional trade, positional pair trade. So here we have been talking about the intraday pair. Observe it. That is, today we have made a calculations. Only one pair I have told you sold bank HDFC along with one 2,400 put. You bought bank nifty along with it sell of 31,500 call. Just note it down by 330. You observe how much it has worked, did not work, given success, did not give success. This, at least observing it, is not going to help, going to make anything, any loss for you. So just observing these trades intraday, it won't give you much opportunities. Many times you won't get that opportunity to trade in intraday as per the beta decoupling. But today it is giving you opportunity. Once it gives you opportunity, 3 pairs it is giving you to trade. 3 pairs, observe. There is no basis of selecting the stocks. As you know, BBS Shastriji, in all my webinar programs and all the live sessions, I only take the frontline stocks. There is no basis that Nifty, Bank Nifty, and this thing is being chosen based on any specific secret act of choice. There is no secret act of choice here. So frontline stocks only I have taken. Your Reliance also is at a great level of target. 1324 it has come. 1327 also it has come. 1327. So this is your calculation. 1327.65. So was your calculation. 1327.95 it has retraced. There is no secret act of choice. This is only frontline stocks I always choose. So this is what I have chosen. There is no specific secret act of choice. Traders, what they used to do, today Reliance, tomorrow TCS, day after tomorrow Tata Steel, day after tomorrow friend said this, then next day some TV channel said this stocks. So all these things we go on doing. Please do not do that. I'll say that mutual funds, very carefully listen this. These are very, very important things for you as a trader. One mutual fund having 3,000 crores worth of capital, having only 20 stocks in their 20 major stocks in their portfolio, or 75% of this money is with only 20 stocks, and you have only 3 lakhs and you have only 50 stocks in your portfolio for investment. Is it wise? That is one thing. Second part is, when you trade, you must choose the stocks which cannot be manipulated by the operators. These are the very big companies. So you take TCS, Reliance, Infosys, Nifty, Bank Nifty. These are the very, very big entities. It cannot be exploited by the operators. One single operator or multiple 100 operators also cannot able to set this. It has to come a uniform demand or uniform supply. So FI is one big group of FIs should come and buy, or big group of domestic institutional should come or buy or sell, then only the prices will move or fall down. So few individuals cannot able to exploit these stocks. So that is very important. And second part is, always the world look at the leader. So whenever you are looking at the market, you are looking at Nifty, you are looking at Bank Nifty, you are looking at the VSE Sensex. Nobody looks at the individual stocks. So nobody looks at that, in that who has on that, maybe Nifty has fallen by 100 points, but someday, same day, some stock has would have gone by 20% plus. So nobody, people, majority of the trader ignore this plus 20% gain stock. If Nifty has fallen down by 1,000 point, on the same day, if any stock has gone up by 20% plus, it may not be a Nifty stock. That time people will ignore that stock. They won't, that will not draw the attention. So always world looks at the leader. So that is the reason, also another one principle. So whenever you trade with the best instrument available with you. No need to trade with the instrument which can be manipulated, which cannot draw the attention. So these are the leadership stocks. So you have an index, you have the stocks which takes the leadership in that index. Then you apply your method, it works. And this is also, you have seen, this is a calculation you have done for as per the previous day's data on the Reliance. So here it has come down to, this is the reversal zone I have told you in the session. So how much it has come during our discussion phase itself, it has happened 1327.95. From here only reversal happened. You have calculated till 65, it has gone till 95 and reversed. So here point comes, Kausalji also was asking, this is a high volatility. So high volatility scenario. If it is a low volatility scenario, then all targets we would have got. But since it is a high volatility scenario, so we will not get all targets, but it has reversed. This is your reversal zone. It has well honored the calculation you did, and market accepted it, market honored it, market obliged you with your calculation. Then only you can say that this calculation is correct, and boldly you can able to say that it is correct. If that calculation has any falsified thing, I will never conduct a live session and just show you these things. So all the 4 to 3 pairs we have taken, and we have taken for Infosys, we have taken for TCA, Infosys, we have taken for Sun Pharma, and we have taken for the Reliance. Reliance already you experienced, other things are there. Keep observing. Once this recording goes to you, see to it repeatedly, 2 to 3 times you see this recording. Those price points which is appearing on your screen, please note it down. Day end price time chart will be available. If you have your individual software, take the price time chart. So compare with that, then only you can able to learn that yes, if it is happening or not. Option strategy will not be, these are there, we can address it. And those who are interested to take also the softwares. So your offer, we have given one good offer, and that is valid till today. So till today we have kept that offer open. So today also you have the final session. So if you want to decide to go for any software also, you can go for the softwares. We have given 2 offers. One is all our softwares, another is only one standard deviation and GAN analysis software. So these offers we have given. So this is still open for you. If you are convinced with this particular idea, yes, this software is going to benefit me in my trade, then you decide on that. So it is purely on your choice. And if you are satisfied with the Excel sheet, you still keep using the Excel sheet, and that too also you will experience the success. So here the limitations will be there, that Excel sheets you need to update. Excel sheets will have a limited success. You don't give the success like softwares. The software takes a lot of data, and that same thing cannot be done. Many things cannot be done in Excel sheet also. So with this, I'll be ending today's session. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. And recordings will be given to you within 1 hour.